So I'm a town planner in Queensland, and specifically I do statutory or development assessment planning. I love the community. There's so many different faces and people of all different perspectives. And for me, it's just been so helpful to give me a way forward for the business. So the one-to-one coaching is awesome because obviously there's a group of very talented coaches, but the community in Boardroom gives you many different perspectives and experiences where you can hear from people who have lived through what you are going through or what you're about to go through and advise for or against certain strategies or decisions. So it's great to hear from real life people and many different voices that can reaffirm what your coach has told you, so you know that it's not just their opinion, but it's actually tried and true. So the things I've achieved through Boardroom, I think most importantly for me are a clear way forward. So I know that I'm good at what I do. That's why I started my own business, and I always wanted to be a business owner. But you can get into that trap of just sort of winging it, and that's great if you just want to survive. But for me, I wanted to have a successful business, and I think that this program has really given me the tools to be able to do that.
Yeah.